Hello, are you the boys group from London who has used the service of Kimo Tour and Travel? On behalf of our company Kimo Tour and Travel, I wish you selamat siang dan selamat datang di Jakarta. It is common greeting to greet you, which means good afternoon and welcome to Jakarta. So first of all, can I know who leaders of this group? Oh, you sir, what is your name, sir? Alright, nice to meet you, Mr. Luis. Can I check the identity of this group, like a passport? Okay, let me check in. So, thank you, Mr. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Akis Ramdhani, and you can call me Akis. Today, I will be your tour leader, and I would like to thank you for trusting the service of Kimo Tour and Travel. So before we go to the bus, I want to know your name one by one, giving your itinerary, welcoming kids from our company, and check your baggage. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I will attend all of you all. When your name is called, please raise your hand, okay? Mr. Danendra, okay. Mr. Syahrul, okay. Mr. Rido, Mr. Umar, Miss Aulia, Miss Rahma, Miss Intan, Miss Nadia, Miss Fanny. Okay, so everything is complete. Okay, nice to meet you all. And Mr. Luis, please coming here. I have something for you. This is welcoming kids from our company. Yeah, you're welcome. So Mr. Luis, can I collect your baggage? Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please wait here because I will go to the porter to arrange your baggage. So if you want to go to the toilet, you can go right there, and if you want to buy some snack, you can go left there. So you just take 5-10 minutes to do this. So everyone, your baggage is already on the bus now, and before we leaving the airport, please check anything important document. Okay, now let's follow me go to the bus. So everyone, you guys can get on the bus now and step carefully, okay? Alright, everyone's on the bus now. Okay, let me introduce myself again. My name is Muhammad Akis Ramdhani. You can call me Akis. I am from Jakarta and I can speak 3 languages, that is English, Mandarin, and or Chinese and Indonesia. My hobby is drawing and watching the movies, and I have been tour leader for 2 years. Okay, alright, let me introduce our crew bus. And the right side we have Mr. Jarwo as a professional driver who has 8 years experience as a driver. So you don't have to worry about our tour today, because I believe our tour today must be going safe and comfortable. So, and the left side we have Mr. Sopo as a CO driver. He will help Mr. Jarwo during the tour, and he will keep our bus clean. So say hello in Indonesian language to them. You can repeat after me. Halo Pak Jarwo dan halo Pak Sopo, apa kabar? Okay, thank you for your participation. And here I will give my name card and a new provider card. So if there is something, don't be shy to contact me. So I want to say welcome to Indonesia, and I want to ask you have you ever been to Indonesia before? This is your first time, right? Okay. I want to tell you about Jakarta. Jakarta is a capital city of the Republic Indonesia. Jakarta is huge, sprawling metropolis with the population more than 9 million people. In the daytime, even increased to million with the commuter flocked into the city to the work and return home in the evening. Located on the northern coast of Java, Jakarta is growing rapidly over the years. Changed a lot of villages with process. As capital of Indonesia, Jakarta is not the only place of the national government and provincial government. The city is also Indonesia political center, and moreover, Jakarta is also nation financial center and trade. It not surprisingly, because you will see Jakarta that is dynamic city that never existed, and Jakarta is the city that never sleep. So that's why you can easily find the traffic jam in Jakarta. So I wanna tell you your schedule tour for today. We go to the National Monument. After that we go to the National Museum, and the last we go to the Istiqlal Mosque. So everyone, any question? There is no? Okay, alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the National Monument or Monas. There we can go around the very wide National Monument field using the available tourist destination. Then we can also enter the inside of Monas building, where we can see the map of Indonesia and listen to the documentation of the text of Proclamation of Indonesia Independence, which was read by our first president, Insinyur Soekarno. Then we can see the various types of historical collection from the past as well. And then beside that, we can also go up to the top of Monas, and then we can see the view of Jakarta from a height using the binoculars that are already available. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the second, this is the National Museum or 11 Museum. Ladies and gentlemen, does anyone know why it is known as the 11 Museum? Well, so there was once a king from Thailand named the Chulalongkorn for visit this museum. He gave a bronze 11 statue in 1871, and until now the National Museum keeps more from 19,000 historical objects, ranging from collection of prehistorical objects, geography, ethnography, archaeology, history, and many more again. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and the last, this is the Istiqlal Mosque in Southeast Asia. Despite being the largest house of worship for the Muslim in Indonesia, the architect who designed this mosque is a Christian man named is Frederick Silaban, who was born in North Sumatra. The name of Istiqlal Mosque was not far from the meaning of the nationalism. The Istiqlal is Arabic, which means of freedom, and one of the goals of the mosque was the honor for the Muslim fighter who died fighting for the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can see on the right there is a horse statue called the name Arjuna Wijaya statue. The statue is a monument in the form of a horse drawn chariot statue with a fountain made from chopper, which is located at the intersection of MH Tamrin Street and Medan Merdeka Street. So, sculptor designer Arjuna Wijaya statue is an Indonesian sculptor maestro from Tabanan, Bali. Arjuna Wijaya statue itself means Arjuna's victory, and which tell of his in defending the truth and his courage, a symbol of appreciation of his chivalry qualities. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you can see on the right there again, this is Merdeka Palace, is the official residence and the office of the President of Indonesia, located overlooking the National Monument or Monas. In the past, the community was often referred to as the Gambir Palace because of the many gambir trees that grew on around Koningsplein Square. So, Merdeka Palace also witnessed the history of the existence of the United States of Indonesia by the Dutch government. And now the Merdeka Palace is used to organize state events, including the commemoration of the second of the proclamation as a ceremony to the welcome state guests and events for letters from ambassador as friendly countries. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in a moment we will arrive at the Borobudur Hotel, so get ready to make sure your belonging is not left on the bus. Okay? Halo, saya dari Kimo Tour and Travel ingin memesan 9 kamar atas nama The Boys Group. Apakah masih bisa? Baik, mungkin sekitar 10-15 menit lagi saya sampai di Borobudur Hotel. Terima kasih. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived in front of the hotel and we will going to the hotel lobby. So I remind you, get ready to make sure your belonging is not left on the bus. Be careful when you step down, and for your information, your baggage will be brought by hotel staff, so don't worry. Let's going to the lobby. So welcome to the Borobudur Hotel, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please wait here. I will process your check-in. And for the Mr. Louis, please follow me to the reception desk to help me check-in. Selamat malam. Saya dari Kimo Tour and Travel ingin mengkonfirmasi 9 kamar atas nama The Boys Group yang telah dikonfirmasi sebelumnya melalui telepon. Apakah sudah siap semua? Baik, terima kasih. So, excuse me Mr. Louis, you can sing here and please pick up the key room. So thank you, and alright, let's going to the lobby again. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for waiting. Well, here I will inform you that your passport has been broke by your leader. So your room on the 8th floor with the best view of Jakarta City, and then you can enjoy with the facilities at the hotel, and I will share the room key for you. So ladies and gentlemen, I will remind you again that tomorrow we will breakfast at 9 AM, then check out at 7 AM. So don't return the room key, and by 8 AM everyone has gathered in the hotel lobby with their belongings. So I would like to remind you, if you need me, you can contact me every time. So now you can rest in your room. It's enough until here. Have a good rest and see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, how's your sleep? Is it restful? So today is the last day of our tour. We'll go to the receptionist first to check out and wait a moment in the hotel lobby. And if you want to go to the toilet and buy something, you can go ahead. I will call you again later. So thank you ladies and gentlemen for waiting. Checking out has been complete and your belongings has also been put on the bus. So I want to remind you not to leave your personal items such as wallet, cell phone, and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's follow me go to on the bus, and be careful when you're getting on the bus. Alright ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't feel like our tour is over. I am very happy to meet you everyone and make our tour is enjoyable. So I want to know your impression and message about our tour. So thank you, I am glad to hear that, and I want to remind you, don't forget to fill out the questionnaire. So ladies and gentlemen, you can sleep and rest or eat while we are on the way to the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at Soekarno-Hatta Airport, and follow me, go to the check-in counter and please collect your passport and your baggage. And ladies and gentlemen, please wait a moment, and while waiting you can go to the buy something or go to the toilet, and please don't forget to come back. I want to share the boarding pass for you guys. and please save it. So come on, I'll take you all to the plane's departure gate. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I finished checking out, and it's time we part until here. Thank you for joining this fun tour, and thank you also trusting our travel agent. So don't forget to fill in the questionnaire. And one more thing is Indonesia is not perfect, but Indonesia is awesome. So in the next time you can go back and see more beautiful place in here and other Indonesian cultural uniqueness. So see you in the next trip. I am Muhammad Alkis Ramdhani to thanks and apologize if there is an error from our service. Have a safe trip and see you again everyone.